Hi friends, today in this class you will learn trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Complementary angles. Let us see the definition. If sum of two angles is 90 degrees, those are called complementary to each other. Now, taking one right angled triangle ABC, in which angle B is equal to 90 degrees. I am taking angle A as a theta, then angle C will be 90 minus theta. Sum of these two angles A and C is 90 degrees. So angle A and angle C are called complementary angles to each other. Now I will find all six trigonometric ratios with respect to theta. Sin theta is equal to BC by AC. Cos theta is equal to AB by AC. Tan theta is equal to BC by AB. Sin reciprocal is cosec. Cosec theta is equal to reciprocal of sin AC by BC. Cos reciprocal is secant. Secant theta is equal to AC by AB. And tan reciprocal is cot, that is equal to AB by BC. I am taking all these six as equation 1. Now let us find the trigonometric ratios with respect to angle C. Now sin 90 minus theta is equal to, with respect to C, sin definition opposite by hypotenuse, AB by AC. Cos 90 minus theta, BC by AC. Tan 90 minus theta, AB by BC. Now sin reciprocal, cosec 90 minus theta, AC by AB. Secant 90 minus theta, AC by BC. Cot 90 minus theta, BC by AB. I am taking these trigonometric ratios as equation 2. Now let us observe 1 and 2 equations. Here sin theta is BC by AC. BC by AC is cos 90 minus theta. So we can say that sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. Now cos theta is AB by AC. Here AB by AC is sin 90 minus theta. So we can say that cos theta is equal to sin 90 minus theta. Tan theta is BC by AB. BC by AB is cot 90 minus theta. So we can say that tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta. In the same way, the remaining also. From 1 and 2, we get sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. Cosec 90 minus theta is equal to secant theta. Secant 90 minus theta is equal to cosec theta. Cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. These are called sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta, cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta, tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta, cosec 90 minus theta is equal to secant theta, secant 90 minus theta is equal to cosec theta, and cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta are called trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Now let us do some problems based on T ratios of complementary angles. Question number 1. Evaluate sin 18 degrees by cos 72 degrees. Solution. Sin 18 degrees by cos 72 degrees. Sin 18 degrees I am keeping in the same way. This 72 I am writing like this, cos 90 minus 18. So 18 plus 72 is 90 degrees. So we can use complementary angles properties. 90 minus 18 is 72. This is equal to sin 18 degrees by, this is in the form of cos 90 minus theta. Cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta, where theta is equal to 18 degrees. Sin 18 by sin 18, both will get cancelled. That is equal to 1. Now let us do question number 2. Evaluate tan 26 degrees by cot 64 degrees. Solution. Tan 26 degrees by cot 64 degrees. Keeping numerator in the same way, I am writing denominator like this. 26 plus 64 is 90 degrees. So those are complementary angles. So this 64 I am writing 90 minus 26. Now it is in the form of cot 90 minus theta. That is equal to tan 26 degrees by cot 90 minus theta. Cot 90 minus theta is tan theta, where theta is 26 degrees. So tan 26 by tan 26 will get cancelled. That is equal to 1. Now let us do question number 3. Evaluate cos 48 degrees minus sin 42 degrees. Cos 48 degrees minus sin 42 degrees. Cos 48 is the same minus the seat. 48 plus 42 is 90. So those are complementary angles. Sin, this 42 I am writing 90 minus 48. 90 minus 48 is 42. Cos 48 degrees minus, it is in the form of sin 90 minus theta. Sin 90 minus theta is cos theta, where theta is 48 degrees. Cos 48 minus cos 48, which is equal to 0. Now, question number 4. Evaluate cosec 31 degrees minus secant 59 degrees. Solution. Cosec 31 degrees minus secant 59 degrees. First one is the same, minus sec 31 plus 59, 90 degrees. So secant, this 59 I am writing 90 minus 31 degrees. 90 minus 31 is 59. Cosec 31 degrees minus secant 90 minus theta. Secant 90 minus theta is cosec theta, where theta is 31 degrees. Cosec 31 degrees minus cosec 31 degrees, which is equal to 0. Next sum. Show that tan 48 degrees into tan 22 degrees into tan 42 degrees into tan 67 degrees is equal to 1. Tan 48 degrees into tan 23 degrees into tan 42 degrees into tan 67 degrees. Now see 48 and 42, their sum is 90 degrees. In the same way 23 and 67, sum is 90 degrees. So these two we will write together. Tan 48 degrees into tan 42 degrees. The remaining two, tan 23 degrees into tan 67 degrees is equal to, first one is the same, tan 48 degrees into tan this 42. I will write 90 minus 48. 90 minus 48 is 42. 2. In the same way, second one, tan 23 degrees into tan 67 can be written as 90 minus 23. Now is equal to tan 48 degrees into tan 90 minus theta, that is equal to cot theta. Here theta is 48 into tan 23 degrees into tan 90 minus theta, cot theta 23 degrees is equal to tan 48 degrees into cot, reciprocal of tan, 1 by tan 48 degrees into tan 23 degrees into 1 by tan 23 degrees. These two will get cancelled. In the same way, these two will get cancelled. That is equal to 1. Now, question number 6. Show that cos 38 into cos 52 minus sin 38 into sin 52 is equal to 0. Cos 38 into cos 52 minus sin 38 into sin 52. First one as it is, cos 38 degrees into cos 52 minus sin is 38 and 52 complementary angles. So I am writing this 38 as 90 minus 52. In the same way, 52 can be written as 90 minus 38. This is equal to cos 38 into cos 52 minus sin 90 minus theta, that is equal to cos theta. Here theta value is 52 degrees. Sin 90 minus theta, cos theta. Here theta value is 38. Cos 52, cos 38. Cos 52, cos 38. Both are same. So their difference is 0. Question number 7. If tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18, find the value of a. It is given tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18 degrees. Tan 2a can be written as tan theta, can be written as cot 90 minus theta. So cot 90 minus 2a. We are writing this tan 2a like this, cot 90 minus 2a implies cot 90 minus 2a is equal to cot a minus 18 degrees. Both the sides cot will get cancelled, implies 90 minus 2a is equal to a minus 18. Implies that minus 18 bringing it to this side, 90 plus 18 is equal to a plus 2a. Implies 3a is equal to 108. Implies a is equal to 108 by 3. 3 ones, 3 threes are 9, 3 6 are, that is equal to 36. Therefore, a is equal to 36 degrees. Question number 8. If tan a is equal to cot b, prove that a plus b is equal to 90 degrees. Tan a is equal to cot b. Tan a is equal to cot theta. Cot theta can be written as tan 90 minus theta. Here in place of theta we have b. Both the sides tan will get cancelled, implies a is equal to 90 minus b. Implies bringing minus b to left side. A plus b is equal to 90 degrees. Next problem. If secant 4a is equal to cosec a minus 20 degrees, find the value of a. Solution. Secant 4a is equal to cosec a minus 20 degrees. Secant theta can be written as cosec 90 minus theta. So secant 4a is equal to cosec 90 minus 4a is equal to cosec a minus 20 degrees. Both the sides cosec cancel. 90 minus 4a is equal to a minus 20 degrees. Now bringing minus 20 to left side and minus 4a to right side. 90 plus 20, that is equal to a plus 4a. A plus 4a is 5a is equal to 90 plus 20, 110 degrees. Implies a is equal to 110 by 5. 5 ones, 5 twos are 10, 5 twos are 10, which is equal to 22. Therefore, a is equal to 22 degrees. Next problem. If ABC are interior angles of a triangle ABC, then show that sin B plus C by 2 is equal to cos A by 2. Here it is given ABC are interior angles of a triangle. A, B, C are interior angles of triangle ABC. We know that sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Therefore, A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. Now, I am keeping B plus C on left side and taking A to right side. 180 degrees minus A. Now, dividing on both sides by 2. B plus C by 2 is equal to 180 minus A by 2. B plus C by 2 is equal to, separating the denominator, 180 by 2 minus A by 2. B plus C by 2 is equal to 90 minus A by 2. Now, applying on both sides sin. Sin B plus C by 2 is equal to sin 90 minus A by 2. Sin B plus C by 2 is equal to, it is in the form sin 90 minus theta. Sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. So that is equal to cos A by 2. Express sin 67 degrees plus cos 75 degrees in terms of trigonometric ratios of angles between 0 degrees and 45 degrees. Sin 67 degrees plus cos 75 degrees. Observe it. 67 and 75, they are more than 45 degrees. Now we have to express these t ratios in between 0 and 45 degrees. Sin 67 can be written as 90 minus 23. 90 minus 23 is 67. Plus cos 75 can be written as 90 minus 15 degrees. This is in the form sin 90 minus theta. Sin 90 minus theta is cos theta, where theta is 23 degrees, plus cos 90 minus theta, that is sin theta, where theta is 15 degrees. Now the angles are in between 0 and 45 degrees.